So now let's talk about members. Members are basically the way that we define a class. If you want to create our printer class, it's not enough to just say, hey, we need to have a printer class. What you need to do is to define what makes up that class, what data does it have, what kind of actions can you do on that data. So what we call these things, the data in the method that make up a class, are members. And if we look at our printer example again, we can see that here are some things that might be considered data. The model number, a manufacturer, the sheets of paper that are loaded, whether it's color or black and white, whether the printer is currently on or off, things like that. All the attributes that will be specific to a printer. Not just a printer like your printer sitting on your desk, but the current event state of that printer. These are the things that are considered data. Then the other half of this is methods. In order for you to have a good class, these methods should work with that data or operate on that data. So let's look at some examples here. Some methods might be print. All printers should be able to print. You should be able to turn them on or turn them off, show some kind of error where there is a paper jam, whether you have an LCD display or flashing lights. Somehow you need to be able to show an error. So this is just kind of some simple examples, and we will get into the code of how you do this. When you think about creating a class, you want to think in terms of data and methods, and those are going to be the members that exist inside of a class.